Winter is basically a blessing for us because in winter we get a lot of vegetables, a lot of green leaves. One of them is fenugreek plants. Look at these, how good they are. They have a lot of nutritional values also. They're very, very extremely good for health, and literally I just love them to eat, especially in winter. It tastes better. So today I'm going to cook these fenugreek plants, and I will add with this tomato and fish. So after cutting the roots, I'm just washing them thoroughly because it comes from the fields. Also, by the way, if you do not clean, if you do not wash thoroughly, there would be like some insects or some sand, something like that. So just I'm chopping them thoroughly because if I do not, like chopping them thoroughly will help it to cook better, and it will be cooked um, nicely. Fenugreek plants has a kind of strong steam, you can say, and if you do not like cut them, chop them thoroughly, it just don't get boiled well. This is called uh, like I don't know what is the name of this fish in a local language. Do let me know in the comment section what you call in this fish, what you call this fish. But we over here we call the fish as pomfret, and it tastes better. Actually, I just love this fish a lot. And while I cut the fish, I just use um, scissors and all. Then it gets easier, and I just clean them with a spoon. One day I will show you how just I cut the fish. Then I took some tomatoes, I just chopped them, and now it's time to fry the fish. So I'm using turmeric, salt, to just marinate the fish, because if you do not marinate the fish, it doesn't. It just gets some smell, like fishy smell. So it's better, like yeah, to like this. And after done the marination, I just fry them now. And one small tip I'm giving, which is that if the pan where you're going to fry the fish, if the pan is not heat properly, then the fish must be you'll just mess up with the fish. So if you this is not for the Indian people who eat fish. I'm just talking about the people from overseas who doesn't know how to fry fish, because majority of the Indian people, they know how to fry fish, so it's not for them this tip actually, because they know. And so after frying fish at the same I'm just giving a lot of cloves, because for cooking these fenugreek plants, if you the more garlic cloves you use, the more it will be tasty. Then on bay leaf and some cumin seeds. The basic masalas, actually basic spices I'm just using, not much more or not very fancy masalas, because I always love to use only the basic masalas, because it doesn't create any kind of problems for me, and they are very healthy also. So just I use literally while I cook, I just use basic masalas or basic spices. Then some onion, chopped onion, and just I will fry them till the onion gets brown like this garlic cloves. And so yeah, it's getting, and I will add some it's chili powder, and again some turmeric powder, Also some salt. Mix thoroughly. Yeah, it got the brownish color. Now it's time to add tomato. Mix it thoroughly again. You have to put the flame high. Mix it thoroughly. It's time to cover. You must cover the pan thoroughly. Yeah. After 4 minutes, come back again, and after uncovering and just giving them a better mix, and look how nicely the tomato has become cooked. It's time to add the fenugreek plants, the chopped fenugreek plants. Give it a mix, the well mix. Again, you just cover the pan. Well, after again 4 minutes, it's time to uncover the pan. Mixing again the fenugreek plants, green leaves as well as tomato. Look at the color, this is just amazing. Just time to add the fish, the fried fish. I just fried it before, as you know. Mix, and you have to mix it very carefully, otherwise the fish will get messed up. All fish will get it will break into small pieces, which will create problems in future to eat. It's time to add some water. You have to add water according to the quantity of the tomato and fish, also fenugreek leaves. Also, if you want it very soupy, then you can add more water, but I will not make it more soupy, so just I added a little water so that all the things gets boiled thoroughly. Look at that, the color is amazing, and you know how good it smells. I'm getting just it's just crazy. Wow, just I'm feeling to eat them now. Yeah, I'm going to eat them. And if you want to eat, you guys just come join with me. Please do let me know, how do you cook the fenugreek plants in your own style or in your own region? Alright, have a good day.